The Cossatot River is wild and rugged. It has a way of making you feel small, and that's exactly why I want to go. I found this secluded camp on a recent scouting trip. There'll be no crowds, no noise, just the sound of moving water and a crackling campfire. Dolly and I are on the Cossatot River today. We're going to camp for one night here, and the Cossatot River is one of those places, no matter how often I come, I just can't seem to get enough of. We've camped several places along the river. This is a new campsite for us. Never stayed here before. Looking forward to relaxing. We're right along the river. Beautiful spot. I'm going to get camp set up, and then I'm going to show you around a little bit. Well, what a great night's sleep I had. The sound of the river over those shoals in the background. It was really the perfect night for sleeping with the sound and the temperature. I think it's in the mid-40s this morning. Well, it's going to be a slow morning getting around. The sun's just starting to come up. Got coffee going, and we're going to take a little walk after we get coffee and look around a little bit, and then we're going to come back, cook some breakfast, and we're going to head out. Well, this has been a really nice camp. I've enjoyed my stay here. We're loaded up and we're ready to get out of Dodge. There's only one thing that kind of worries me. This is a pretty tight turn to get out of here with the trailer. I think I can make it. I don't think it's gonna be that big a deal, but if I make it past that, and there's a wash, one pretty good wash. If I make it through there, I'm home free.
One night out here isn't enough, but that's the thing about spending time in places that you love. You always leave wanting more. And maybe that's the point, to never feel finished, to always have a reason to return, to always have a reason to explore.